Hi, my name is Olivier from Activity Messenger, and in this video, we're going to learn how to create an event registration form. So we have a very simple form builder right here in Activity Messenger. We're going to easily drag and drop the different aspects. If you want to make it on brand, we actually integrate with Canva, so you can easily add your logo. And next is, what are we selling tickets for, right? In this case, we have a gymnastics competition. So if I click on the three dots here, I'm going to go modify that event. Name of the name of the event, what's the price of the tickets, what's the maximum attendance, are we charging taxes, we can add ledger codes and things like that. What's the location, so where is this event happening, and what's the schedule of this event, right? So do we have multiple days? Is it just a single day? So in this example, I'll just say it's a 2-day event, and I can even open up registrations or ticket sale at a certain time and end ticket sale at whenever I want. Now that I got my event set up, I can decide how it's going to work. So basically, when people purchase a ticket, they will get a ticket as well, right? So it's going to have your logo here, and there's going to be a QR code that you'll be able to scan at the entrance. Now, in this case, I said you're paying $25 and it's for both days, but maybe that's not the case. So I can maybe say, actually, you need to pick one of those 2 days, right? So now I'm going to charge you $25 for one of those 2 days. Or maybe you can pick multiple events, right? So maybe you can come more than once, and then if I click these two, then I'm going to be charged for both of those days. A lot of other kind of further things you can add. So we can pre-apply early bird coupon, a promo code. We can apply, you can accept coupon codes as well. We can maximize the quantity. So maybe people are not allowed to buy more than 3 tickets, and a few other toggles like that. Next, very simple, is we have the person who's buying the tickets, as well as the terms and conditions and the digital signature. Now, if you want to add more to your ticket sale, we have over 80 different blocks that you can add if need be. So what does that look like when it comes to filling it out, right? So what I would do is I would click on visitor fill here. And then in this example, I would say, okay, I'm coming here on the 5th, and I want to buy 3 tickets, and I'm going to bring my friend Harry Potter and Lily Potter as well. And then I'm simply going to go in and put my personal information, filling out the form. I'm just going to put Activity Messenger here. And then I would just simply click on I read and accept and toggle in like this. Now what happens is I get to the invoice, and that's where we are connected with Stripe, so you can take payments with Stripe. I'm going to put my name in here, and I'm just going to put the fake card that we get, 1133, and pay now. And it succeeded, right? So the payment went through. Obviously, it's a test account, and what I can see here is I now paid $75, and I just got my invoice. Now the client who buys them can now download the invoice with the ticket. So if they download here, they will see they have their tickets here that they will be able to scan at the front desk, and they can even transfer tickets if you allow them to. That's a toggle that we have. Now on the back end here, we're gonna go see all the respondents. So you can see all the respondents that have filled out this form, and I can see who's paid and who hasn't paid, what's the expected balance. And then from there, I can go to the attendance list. So that's going to show me actually everybody who's coming to this competition on both days. It's my test account, so you can see there's a bunch of things. But basically, you can see that I just added 3 people here, but I didn't add them to this one. So you can see it's a different attendance list. And lastly, you'll most likely need to communicate with participants. So in that case, I could click message every participant or select the ones that I want. Click on the 15 participants, and that opens a communication tab where you can send emails, SMS and emails, or SMS from there. So I can even I have quick samples. So I'll just give this example here. It would say, hi, first name, gymnastics competition starts at this time at this location, right? So we can schedule reminders. We can resend the tickets the day before, and that's going to allow you to kind of communicate either by email or by SMS with everybody attending the event. And lastly, if you want to scan tickets, you have the ticket scanner here, which is going to, on a phone, it's going to open a camera. I just got to authorize it, and basically it's going to show you a little camera. It says hi here, but on your phone, you'll be able to scan those tickets as people come in, which will allow as soon as you scan the ticket, it's going to check them in as well, and then the ticket won't be valid for somebody else. So very quick way of doing a event registration form. If you have any questions, you can visit activitymessenger.com. Thanks.